A-B-Y, baby.
Good morning, everybody. It's JT Cherry back at it again with another video, and today I am going to introduce my parts car slash project car. I say this because it started as my parts car for my blue Miata that's right here, but it turns into most likely either a drift missile or just another car that I can restore in my free time of not working on my blue Miata, actually work on it and get further and do crazy stuff, because Maria is my daily and I need another car to actually get around with. But this is it right here. You've probably seen it in the background of my videos, and I don't know why I never addressed it. I think every time I got the chance to actually address like the car and what my plans for it, I kind of have a meet to go to, or I just kind of forgot about it. But it's nothing fancy. This is a 1991. I got it for 300 bucks from a friend on Facebook, and I kind of just let it sit here. It's been sitting here since actually my first drive of this car, because I took the differential and I took the actual power plant frame from this car and put on my blue Miata. But today I'm actually going to swap the top from this Miata to this Miata, because I don't know if I ever told y'all this, but this one actually got burnt through because this car caught on fire whenever I first got it running, because it sparked in the gas tank and just started to actually catch on fire. And that's my fault, because I got too comfortable with lifting it up and in and out of the tank, and I kind of ended up sparking it, which is definitely a rookie mistake. But I learned my lesson, and always unplug the battery when you're doing electrical work. It'll make your life way easier, and you won't have a brand new top wasted, because I bought this top actually 2 years ago, and it's not in bad condition, but now it has a hole through the top. This is my daily, so I kind of have to drive and get rain on me. Oh, also, I have these stickers for sale. I have 3 of these left, and I think I have 10 of these No Luck Racing stickers left. So if you're interested, add me on any social media at JTCherry_, and add me on my Snapchat at jcherry.27. But let's go on and get started. So to start, I have to take out these tiny bolts. I'm actually not just swapping the top, but I'm swapping the entire assembly, because I think it'd be easier that way. But this car is kind of junky and crowded because I've just thrown parts in here. So I'm gonna set this to the side, and I'm gonna get out these bolts and see what all I have to take out. I believe it is just these 3 bolts, which is right beside the seat, where the seat should be. And then on the other side over there as well, which I have to move this out the way to get to. And the bolts back here, and I believe they're 10mm. And the 3 bolts on the side are 12. Now that I have these bolts out, I'm going to go and start on these, which I believe are 12 or 14mm. I think. Yeah, they're 12s. Now, the small video I did watch before doing this, it says that once I get those off, those should be the bolts. I hope it's that easy. So let's see. Can you help me out real quick? Alright, so after you get the nuts from in here, you got to make sure you pull the rain rail, and most importantly, pull it off of these little bolts that go in, and then you should be able to take it off. But be careful, this top was kind of old, so it kind of ripped right here, which I'd have to fix, but I'd much rather fix this than try to replace the top like the other way. So I'm about to go and start on this one and do the same. I'm not going to record because it's literally the same thing I just did. So I got this top off. This one's much better condition than that one. That's my old one that came off my blue car. This is the red one that has a little bit of damage right here that came off that car, but at least I'm not driving in the rain. But I put the rain rail back in. It's little holes to help you guide it around. And then really after this, it's just coordinating these holes with this, with the holes down here, and then bolting it back up, and we should be good. I got it on, definitely way better, no holes up top. And actually, this is the side where it ripped, and it actually bolted down and tucked itself into the rain rail. And I think it's underneath the bolt right now, so I don't have to worry about fixing that. If I do, I'm most likely going to get something to kind of seal it, and you can't even see a rip at all. So I'm just going to have to really take care of this top, make sure it's conditioned well, and I'll find out some way. I want to find out a way to replace this window if I can. But other than that, it was pretty straightforward. Make sure once you do these 3 bolts right here, you want to line those up first, and then you want to tuck in the rear, because if you don't, you're going to have a tough time trying to line them up once that's on. Also, to line up the bolts to actually do the bolts that are right here, you want to undo this and you want to fold it back probably halfway, and you'll see the bolts line up. I highly recommend doing this with a person that can just lend an extra hand, because doing this by yourself is really hard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.